Let's do a simple flourless cake today, and I got these requests for gluten-free flourless recipes. So this is a lemon and almond ricotta cake. For this recipe I'm using 1 cup almond flour and 1/4 cup coconut flour, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters lemon juice, lemon zest, about a tablespoonful, and pinch of salt. You can always reduce the amount of sugar in your recipe, so I'm going to reduce the sugar from 150 to 80 grams. So I will write all the recipe description in the description box below. A teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 4 eggs, 125 grams butter, and 230 grams ricotta cheese. This is a full fat version. When you cook this recipe, you will need to use a full fat version of ricotta cheese. Not only this is gluten free, this is flourless and also a keto diet. And you can use this as breakfast with a coffee or even as a dessert with some strawberry or raspberry coulis. So let's start doing this. Preheat the oven to 160 Celsius in a normal oven or 140 Celsius in a fan forced oven. Into a mixing bowl with the whisk attachment, add the butter and then the sugar. Start mixing it on a low speed and increase that to the highest speed in your mixer. Whisk it until it's creamy and fluffy. After, scrape down the ends and add the salt and the lemon zest, then the vanilla, and whisk again. Now into that add the ricotta and whisk again on a low speed. While mixing with the ricotta, break the eggs into it one by one. Now increase the speed again to high. While whisking, make sure to scrape down the ends few times. After, it will look like this. Into that add the coconut flour and then the almond flour, then the lemon juice and the 2 teaspoons baking powder. Mix on a low speed. Once it combines everything together, increase the speed to the high, and it's ready. Take it out. I have this 18-inch cake pan. Transfer the mixture into it, spread it evenly, and this goes to the preheated oven about 30 to 40 minutes, so until a skewer inserted comes out clean. The lemon and ricotta cake is ready, and this is how it is. I baked this about 45 minutes. Let's cut it and see how it is. A very nice, soft and moist spongy cake that you can use as a dessert or even to have with a cup of tea or for breakfast. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.